So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space volume and then click on enter again. Next, you want to type in select space volume. And now you want to look under info, you want to find a drive here in this list that's labeled as either system, EFI or reserved. And make sure that the size is between 100 to 500 megabytes. In my case, one of my drives says system and it's 100 megabytes. And that's volume 2. So I'm going to type in select volume 2 and then click on enter. You want to type in select volume and then the number that applies to you. Make sure it says either system, EFI or reserved and it's between 100 to 500 megabytes. After you select your volume, next you want to type in assign space letter equals S and then click on enter. We can now close out of this. Next, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.